where they planted.
I think it's that base.
Okay. Do you want to swing around the north base just to make sure they haven't planted it there? Okay.
We need to kill this guy.
Okay.
You got all that?
Yeah.
Spray in there.
I don't see nothing. Huh. They're behind a tree up there. See them?
Yeah. How many did you get? I only saw one leave.
I got one. Maybe I didn't get him. Hey, keep their heads down for me.
This one's hit HBA.
Yeah, no, keep their heads down.
Run it up.
Holy crap, I ran out of ammo. You got eyes?
Yeah, he keeps poking his head out and not see me. Just go down and count the pain, I think.
Oh yeah, yeah, for
I really don't know.
Hey, you think I should try to flank around?
Caleb, did we go back to the base?
Yeah, shop.
Oh, we go back to shop?
Yeah.
Right.
I think I should flank around. Hit, good shot.